Integrated Systems Europe 2025 show is approaching its end. This has been a very busy event, and there is no doubt it was a success. New initiatives like esports arena, drones and robotic stage, and a diverse conference agenda contributed to the show's success. It is evident that more and more manufacturers, traditionally regarded as broadcast equipment and technologies vendors, are joining the show, which is focused on pro AV market. Seasoned professional Simon Westland from Blackmagic Design shares his vision on that matter.
I'm Simon from Blackmagic Design, and we're on the booth here at ISE 2025 in Barcelona. A lot of the viewers are familiar with Blackmagic Design products used across broadcast applications, live production, and also in post-production and film. So for our attendance here at ISE, it's all about AV industries. And the most interesting part of that is that no two conversations that we have here at the show are the same. So we may spend some time talking to cruise ship installers, or sports stadiums, or houses of worship, or many other different AV applications as to how the products that Blackmagic Design manufacture can be used within AV industries. And it's really quite interesting to see both the similarities and the differences in those markets. So products like our ATEM live production switches have been particularly interesting for AV because instead of using them for live production, they're actually used as a router where customers will take up to 10 or 20 or 30 inputs depending on the model, and those inputs may be all different video standards, but of course what ATEM production switches have standards conversion and frame synchronizers on every input. So the output of the switcher can be locked to 1080p 50 or to an Ultra HD format, but you can have lots of different video resolutions come into that switcher and be locked to the output. And that's just one example of how products that we would design for a particular application find a different purpose within the AV industry. One of the things we also find here is that unlike broadcast environments where some of the higher resolutions of 4K and 8K production are a challenge to some of the broadcasters, within the audio-visual space, everybody wants more pixels. They want bigger images, they want larger video walls, they want faster production workflows or easier ways of connecting all of the devices within the AV path. Of course, here at the show, we're showing things like the SMPTE 2110 IP products, which allows you now to mix SDI and IP video within audio-visual installations. So there's lots of exciting opportunities here at ISE 2025, and it's been great to see so many people on the booth here at Blackmagic Design.
BZBGEAR, a company from Sacramento, USA, participates in Integrated Systems Europe show year after year. It specializes in affordable yet functional and innovative products and solutions for both broadcast and pro AV markets. At this year's show, the company has focused on 8K esports solutions.
Hello everyone, thank you for tuning in. This is Joel from BZBGEAR. Thank you for watching. We are here in ISE 2025, beautiful Barcelona. We are a pro AV and broadcasting manufacturer, solutions. Our goal this year, our mission is simply 8K. Our motto, if you will, is beyond 4K into 8K. If you can see, we do have gaming systems to showcase that gameplay at 8K at 60 and 4K at 120. Very big for the gamers these days. Right now, we start at the front of our booth. This is our broadcasting gear. So we have a few new here. Our PTZ IP serial controllers, our Commander G2 and Commander Pro. As you can see the most awarded PTZ camera in the market today, our Adamo line, 4K and 1080p PTZ cameras, auto tracking. They support NDI HX3 and Dante AV-H. We could come this way. We have production switchers, 4K and 1080p as well. You can see that we have our BG Control app that controls these cameras. On this side of our broadcasting table, we have our very new full HD and Ultra HD IP streamers. It supports HDMI and SDI, and this one actually supports both. Lastly, here we have our new conferencing video 4K video bar with speaker tracking, auto framing, auto tracking. So this one is very, very unique, and it is the newest thing, the ultimate tool, conferencing tool for your conferencing needs. As we come into the booth, this is basically the main event here. Our rack here holds our newest AV over IP systems, 4K at 60. This is the BZBGEAR Ultra. It handles video wall, multi-viewing, switching, and all over a 1 gig switch. You don't need a 10 gig switch anymore. Well, with this system, you can suffice with a 1 gig switch, so very more convenient. You can see our matrix switchers here. Before we get to the 8K, we do have our 4K. It's dubbed the Swiss Army knife of AV distribution because it does it all. It's a matrix switch that does video wall, multi-viewing, as well as signal extension. This right here is we have a 4x4 and 9x9. We will have a robust 16x16 coming soon. Speaking of 16x16, we will have a 16x16, the first ever 8K 16x16 matrix switcher, which has just recently won 2 awards now here at ISE. So thank you. I'm very proud of that. We also have our 4K. Earlier I mentioned we have our 4K Swiss Army knife. If you just want a more simple, a basic matrix switcher, only matrix switching, we do have that available in 4K as well. So basically anything you guys need, Pro AV broadcasting, we cover you guys for the whole project. For more information, please head over to BZBGEAR. Thank you, MediaVision, for dropping by and spending some time with us here.
Integrated Systems Europe 2025 show concludes today at 4 p.m. However, the insights and updates it has provided are so extensive and valuable that briefly we'll continue to highlight them in the coming days. The next year's ISE is scheduled for February 3rd to 6th, 2026.